All right, hi boys and girls, it's Miss Jamie here again. Tonight I'm behind the camera and I have my 3 helpers with me, and we are going to do a dissolving peppermint experiment. We thought this would be something fun for you all to do this week. We probably would have done something like this if we were at school doing all of our Christmas activities. Okay, so you're going to need some supplies, and we are sending you some candy canes in your packets this week, and you're also going to have a recording sheet that looks like this, and I'll show you just in a second what we're going to do with it. You'll need 3 cups of water, hot, warm, and cold, and you'll probably want somebody in your family to help you with it, okay? You can use peppermints with this or candy canes, but we sent candy canes home with you. All right, so I'm gonna ask my kiddos some questions here. So tonight, we're going to make a hypothesis. Do you know what a hypothesis is? Yes, John Dillon.
A prediction?
It is a prediction. It's an educated guess. So it means you make a guess about what's gonna happen before you do the experiment based on what you already know. So the question tonight is, which one do you think will melt the peppermint the fastest? The hot water, the warm water, or the cold water? Okay, Cullen, I'm gonna start with you. What's your hypothesis?
I think that it will be the hot water.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, Caroline, what's your guess?
When the candy cane goes in here, it changes to colors.
You think it's gonna change color? Okay. John Dillon, what's your hypothesis?
I think the red stuff, the red stripes on it, is going to melt, and then it's going to melt the fastest in the hot water.
Okay, so you can make your guess, and you're gonna make it on your recording sheet, and you're just going to circle which one you choose. All right, so what I'm gonna do in just a second, on the count of 3, I'm gonna have my kids put their candy cane in the cup of water that is in front of them. Okay, so we've got the cold, and I put some ice in that one, and Caroline's is kind of lukewarm, and then Cullen's, as you can see, is steaming hot. And it's probably a little too hot for you guys to do by yourself, but I did that so that it would maybe go just a little bit faster for our video. Okay, so you all get your candy cane, and on the count of 3, you're going to put it down into the water. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let it hang out on the side there so we can see what happens.
Do you let it just sit there?
Yeah, just let it sit there. All right, do you see anything happening already?
I see that John Dillon's prediction, the red stripes on the candy cane, they're coming off.
In the hot water?
Yes, in the hot water.
Okay, I see some things happening in that one. All right, let's move here to Caroline's. Do you see anything happening to your water, Caroline?
Yeah, it's the colors coming off of
It
it.
is, isn't it? And John Dillon, what's going on with yours?
I think
Not much,
cold
right?
isn't going to do anything.
Okay,
Oh, the water is turning red on mine.
it is.
Mom, this
So we'll give it just a couple of seconds. And like I said, Cullen's is really warm. And I did that because I wanted it to go just a little bit faster. On your recording sheet, it says to wait 20 minutes, and we're not going to do that tonight, but we can give you a good idea of what's going to happen. So in just a couple of seconds, I'm going to have them pull their candy canes out, and we'll see if their predictions were correct. Now think about what happens when you eat a candy cane. When you put it,
color?
okay, usually when you eat a candy cane, the red stripes usually start to disappear, right? Okay, and what's a word? What's the word we could use? It starts with a D. It dissolves in your mouth usually. That's why a lot of people like peppermints, because sometimes it soothes your throat, because it just dissolves in your mouth. Okay, Cullen, what happened to yours right then?
It just broke.
It broke.
It just broke.
Wonder what happened.
I think it got so hot that it broke off.
It dissolved so much that it broke, right?
Oh, yeah.
Pull, okay, go
It
ahead.
doesn't look like it snapped or anything.
Yeah, go ahead and pull those out and let's see what happened. And you don't know. just pull your candy cane out. Now, John Dylan, even though yours didn't do a whole lot in the cold water, it
Mine did a
still
lot.
was
Look.
starting to dissolve a little
There's
bit.
a little, like a line right here where it dissolved,
Yes.
and then it.
Look,
The other part
mine-
I didn't put in the water, and that's just stayed the same. And this right here.
Can
is
I get
dissolved.
it now?
Yeah. All right.
Whoa, that just fell off.
Yeah.
Mommy, can we eat it?
Now, if you can see Cullen's candy cane that's in the cup, it doesn't have very much red left on it. The red stripes have disappeared. And the candy cane would start to dissolve just like it does when you put it in your mouth. Okay?
Can I get it out?
No, it's still a little warm. Okay, so whose hypothesis was correct?
John Dylan's and mine.
Okay. Well, she said it was going to change.
Oh, it did.
She did. She
It
said
did
the water
change.
was going to change. So on your recording sheet at home, you will check at the bottom if your hypothesis was correct. And you all are so smart. I know you're going to get it right. Okay? Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.
Bye.